Hello and welcome to the Digestive System Part 4. In this video, we will be discussing the pancreas and the gallbladder. So this video is the last video in the entire Digestive System playlist. So first we're going to be talking about the pancreas. So the pancreas has many different enzymes it produces to properly digest food chemically. So these enzymes basically help to neutralize chyme, which is the acidic substance made of food and acid that goes from the stomach to the small intestine, when the small intestine helps to absorb nutrients. So the pancreas has 4 key substances that it produces. We have lipase, protease, amylase, and insulin. So lipase, protease, and amylase are all enzymes, while insulin is a hormone. So lipase aids in breaking down fats. I like to remember this because lipo means fat with using medical terminology. Protease aids in the breaking down of proteins. I like to remember this one because we have prote, which is the start of proteins. Then we have amylase, which aids in the breaking down of carbohydrates. So amylase is mainly found in the mouth because digestion starts in the mouth, so it helps to break down the food. And then we have insulin, which is the hormone that helps to absorb sugar, which gives energy to the cells. We talked a lot about insulin in the endocrine system because it also goes with the pancreas in a hormonal way. Next, we're going to be talking about the gallbladder. So the gallbladder resembles a sac-like organ. So its main function is to store bile, which is a fluid that helps to digest food. So in the last video, we talked about the liver, which produces or makes bile. So the gallbladder stores that bile. And when the body has taken in the food that is ready to be digested, this will cause the gallbladder to contract, which makes the bile come through the common bile duct into the duodenum, which is where nutrients absorption starts. And the gallbladder gets the signal to contract through the nervous system. So this is where all the body systems go hand in hand. Question time. Question 1. What substance does the gallbladder store to help break down food? I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. If you said D, bile, you are correct. So A says protease, which helps to break down proteins. It's an enzyme that helps to break down proteins. But it's not found necessarily in the gallbladder. It's found more in the pancreas. So that would be correct. We have blood, which we can obviously cut off. And then we have pancreatic enzymes, which is found in the pancreas to break down food, not the gallbladder. But bile, which is made by the liver, is stored in the gallbladder to help break down food. Question 2. True or false? Amylase is an enzyme secreted by the pancreas that helps to break down fats. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. If you said false, you are correct. So amylase is an enzyme secreted by the pancreas and is also found in the mouth that helps to break down carbohydrates, while lipase is an enzyme in the pancreas that breaks down fats. Remember, lipo is fat. Question 3. Which of the following enzymes helps to break down proteins? I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. If you said B, protease, you are correct. So A says amylase, which is an enzyme found in the mouth and the pancreas to break down carbohydrates, which wouldn't be correct. Then we have C, which is lipase, which breaks down fats, which wouldn't be correct. Then we have D, insulin, which is a hormone found in the pancreas that has more to do with sugar and providing energy to the cells, which would be incorrect. And then we have B, which says protease, which breaks down proteins. We can remember this with prote in protease and prote in proteins. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next video.